Welcome to a new video. In this video, we are going to talk about dates and date operations in MySQL. Let's start by creating a table named sales to hold our sample data. The table will have columns sale ID, sale date, and amount. I'm going to create a table in the video for you to understand its structure, and I'm going to insert data off record, but I'm going to leave the data codes in the description of this video. For creating the table, we will say create table sales. The first column is going to be sale ID, integer, auto increment, primary key. Second one is going to be sale date, it's going to be date time, and last one is going to be amount, it's going to be decimal 10 and 2. Here it is. This is our table structure for this video. I'm going to run this code and our table is created. We can see it in here. It's going to come up here, and here it is. We can see it in here now. Okay. Now let's insert some sample records into the sales table to work with. I'm going to give this data inserting code in the description of the video. You can check the description for this. Just paste this and run this. And here is our sample data. Let's see how our table looks right now. Select sharp from sales. Okay, we have the IDs, dates, and amounts. Let's begin by extracting date and time components from the sale date column using functions like year, month, day, hour, minute, and a second. Let's say select sale date, year, sale date as sale year, month, sale date as sale month, day, sale date as sale day, hour, sale date as sale hour, minute, sale date as sale minute, and lastly second, sale date as sale second from sales. Let's run this code, and we can see here that sale year, sale month, sale day, sale hour, sale minute, and sale second, they are all separated like this. For example, if you just want to take the sale day or sale hour and work with it, you can just use the day here or hour here and just don't use others, and you can take this data for your use. Maybe you are making a study about which day customers visit more the shop, or which month customers visit more, and in this way you can extract the data and you can have insights. Now let's explore date formatting using the date format function. We are going to say select sale date, date format, sale date, and after the comma we are going to give the format that we want our date to be. Let's say year and month and day, and we will say as formatted date. And let's do another example here, date format sale date, and we will give the format day, and let's say this year, and as custom format from sales. Okay, we don't need this extra comma, and if we run like this, it's going to work. Let's just remove this action output, and here is our result. You can see that here is the original date, and here is the formatted date, and here is our custom format, which months are represented by letters like Jan for January, Feb for February, etc. Okay, let's talk about filtering. We can use where clause to filter rows based on specific date range. We can say that select sharp from sales where sale date between 2023 03 and 01 and 2023 05 and 31. Let's run this. We just filtered the dates like this. Okay, let's do another thing. Date arithmetic allows us to perform calculations involving dates. So how we can do that? We can say select sale date sale date plus interval 10 day as 10 days later, and sale date interval 1 month as 1 month earlier from sales. You can see the 15 at the first entry, and when it's 10 days later it takes 25, and when it takes 1 month earlier it takes the previous year's last month. It seems great. This can be really useful if you are working with intervals and you need information like this. Okay, let's see how we can compare dates using comparison operators. So we can just say select sharp from sales where sale date is less than, which means the previous dates, 2023 4th month 01, and run this. Since we take the greater, we are taking the months after the fourth one, but if we want to take previous one, we can just change this to this, and then we are going to get the results where we have the sales before this date. Great. Now let's talk about grouping data by specific date components. For this we are going to say select year sale date as sale year, month sale date as sale month, and sum amount as total sales from sales table, and we are going to group by sale year and sale month. In this way we can see monthly sales year based, but since we only have the 2023, it only shows 1 year, and it says that at the first month of the 2023 we have the 150 sales, etc. Okay, let's see the calculating metrics based on date data. For this we are going to say select date sale date as sale day, and sum amount as daily sales, average amount as average daily sales from sales table, group by sale day. Here it is. It returns the same values with daily sales because we only have one sale on one specific date, but imagine you are working with a bigger dataset. For this tutorial I just created a sample dataset, and all our examples are based on a small dataset. So if you work with a big dataset, like in this type of task, the average daily sales is going to differ if we have another sale at this date. That was all for this video. We have covered extracting components, date formatting, filtering, arithmetic, comparison and aggregation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more data science tutorials. Have a great day.